Hi, this is Manas Vilas, and you are watching Making of the Filmmakers ESFF event powered by Dios Film Productions. Emirates Short Film Festival is now celebrating their 7th edition this year. Over 100 films from US, UK, all across Europe, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Iran, Egypt, Turkey. Oh my God, the list is not stopping. But hey, also from UAE, lots of films are going to showcase from 13th of December to 15th of December at Vox Cinema, Dubai. Grand finale will be on 17th of December, the Friday. Dios Film Production offers a platform to all the filmmakers to promote their films for ESFF event. I take this opportunity to call upon a gentleman who is engineer by profession, started his career as a writer, and passionate filmmaker. Yes, it's none other than Rahul Anand and team.
Yeah. Hello, Manas.
Hi. Good to see you. Thanks for joining. Please.
Thank you.
So, Rahul, welcome to the studio.
Thank you. Thank you.
Pleasure. Can you introduce these two gentlemen?
Well, sure. This is Mr. Shabnaz Mohammed.
Yeah.
He's been a pro actor for 10 years and at the same time, he's an IT engineer by profession.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it looks like lots of IT engineers.
Just got together to make a movie. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
He's an ex-Knifer product also, and I met him through acting in the UAE, and I recruited him for this movie. And Mr. Vimal Vijayan, same way I have met him in acting in the UAE.
I think acting in the UAE is that Leo's group, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
And I believe, talking about Vimal, I've seen you.
With the Netflix movie.
I think that Netflix movie, which is
Love or Money.
Yeah, absolutely, the Filipino movie. Yeah. I know you're a model.
I mean, I was a model.
Yeah.
Now I like to call myself an actor. It's been 10 years in the industry. Right. So I started off as a model. And then slowly I went into acting. I learned acting.
Okay.
And with my experience and everything, I'm now doing short movies, and I'm really grateful to God. And
Which is the language this movie has?
This movie is basically in Tamil,
Right.
but it has like English subtitles.
Yeah, I mean, the name sounds like outplayed. You know,
Yes,
it's
yeah.
like a dark kind of a thing. And I have gone through the trailer of this. It looks amazing, guys.
Thank
you
you.
should not lose this opportunity to watch this movie. What is this all about? I mean, any language, you know, has its own slangs and it has its own style, the way the pronunciation, and if you have picked up that, Vimal, I think you're definitely a great actor, I would say. You know, so once again, you know, started as English, turned out into Tamil. it's a fun, isn't it? At the end of the day,
it was a shock for me. It's like, movies in Tamil.
But I had to keep. I said like you have to,
Yeah.
because after writing the script, after seeing his profile, that role was like fixed for him.
Right.
So I couldn't imagine another person going to do that role. So somehow I had to convince him.
Once again, right, you're talking about a story. What is the story exactly? Because Outplayed is a kind of a name which, I mean, nobody can guess what it's all about. Yes, through poster we can guess that it's something to do with the dark. Dark. The genre is dark, but really can't. So, can you explain this a little bit? Rahul?
Indeed. Actually, the movie is to say in one word, it's a total entertainer.
Right.
Like all my previous movies, like what I was doing was like in a short film format. And then I thought anyway, my ultimate aim is to do a feature film.
Yeah.
So to reach there, I want to make sure that if I'm going to make a movie, I want to make sure it's exactly in the movie format. So then I came up with this script that can represent different genres in one movie. So if you say there is crime in this, there is thrills in this, there is suspense in this, there is entertainment, action, everything is involved in this short film. So that's how, and the story, if I say basically it's about three guys and a girl, and they are involved in a heist, and after the heist, on the way back, they find out that they have been chased by the cops. Okay, now here we need to decide now the main guy, as I say, the character Arjun, okay, he is the gang lead. Now he sensed that there was something wrong in the whole thing because no way the cops are going to come there. And what has happened actually? So this is where the story starts.
Yeah.
And going forward, each and every character starts to display their actual phases. Like every character in the movie has their own story. Even though they're going as a gang,
Right.
everybody has their individual stories. And what led them to come together and what made them to like split, and what is the conflict that is happening between them, and who is the actual one who caused this,
Oh my
The
God!
madness.
There's a lot of
It's
drama.
amazing, a lot of drama. I mean, I have personally seen the trailer of this movie, and it's amazing. You know,
Thank you.
I've seen a different shots. I've seen even the shots from a drone.
Yes.
Guys, do watch this. If you have not seen it so far, do come between 13th of December to 15th of December at Vox Cinema. One question: How long was you shooting for this?
it's like 1.5 months, not daily, but it's like weekends, because we are all day jobs we have.
Okay.
So every weekend we dedicated to shoot.
How many locations, by the way?
There is 3 locations.
Okay.
2 of them are in Abu Dhabi. Third one was in Aling. And Aling, we actually chose a villa under construction, thanks to the great supporter. He's a UAE national, Mr. Dharmaki. He actually offered his own home that is being constructed to be used for the shoot.
Well, thanks to that gentleman, for helping the filmmaking.
And but the challenge what we had was, like, as you know, it's a construction building. So direct power is not there. There is no washrooms.
Oh.
There is no lights, and it's not a closed building, so you can know the temperature how it's going to be happening. And we had a mall nearby, so we used to finish all our things like around 9 o'clock in the mall, and then we all know that we're not going to get food or water or any other facilities till the next morning.
It's like
That's how we shot.
walking in a mountain
Yeah.
because you have cement piles, you have drums, you have this, and you're coming with all these equipments.
My
You don't know where to put them. We selected a room, and the room then what we plan to shoot is also a bit unsafe because we don't know nails and this, ladders and everything.
We had one guy to take
So-
care of the safety, because it's a raw construction site. It's not something like a set or something. So anything unplanned can affect our shoot. So we
Yes.
had one person who was doing the safety.
So we brought in the power, we brought in the equipment, we had to connect lights. So basically, if you
The-
give an introduction that this is as the actor, director, that wouldn't be the fair thing.
You know, the
Very true.
BTS itself can be made into a different
Different
movie.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? So the guys, the people who think that filmmaking is so easy, it's not. You can imagine the 22 hours without food at 3-degree temperature, all around nails and cement and dust and dirt all around. It's not easy, guys. Again and again, big round of applause for this big team to support the filmmaking. Shabnaz,
Yes.
one question to you.
Please.
You have done, obviously you have been in the filming for last 10 years,
Yes.
As an actor, this is your debut film, or have you always been into this?
I've been into this. I think I started in movies in 2012. I enrolled myself in New York Film Academy.
Yeah.
Passing out, I've started acting in a few student movies, final projects and everything. So
Yeah.
which was fortunately they were cast or displayed at Vox Cinemas. So gradually I started taking outside jobs, continuing with my professional life on weekends, which was used for. So I could be one of the big productions I worked with was Farah Khan.
Uh-huh.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, okay.
Atlantis, I was there.
Okay.
So I was cast for one of the roles over there. Slowly moving on, small advertisement, everything. So down the lane, I met Rahul.
Yeah.
To be precise, all 3 of us have done 4 movies together so far.
Okay.
So
So this is the team, guys. For the new filmmakers, this is the team.
Definitely.
And regarding the movies, some of these movies we have done remote shooting.
Right.
During the lockdown period.
During the lockdown period, we did
Oh.
remote.
I mean, we can't sit without doing a movie, so I just called them and said, okay, we're going to start shooting at your homes. Send me, let's make movie.
Yeah. So each one of us was given the character and the script. So I shot my character and sent it over.
Right.
He shot his, and then
And
he
then-
edited it.
And then you edited it.
Yeah,
Wow.
and then we made a short one, and it's all on YouTube. And to our surprise, it's getting so much of recognition.
Oh, absolutely. No, you deserve it. I have not seen the complete movie yet, but I'm definitely looking forward for the
You
same.
must, because
Ah.
so far, whoever has seen it, they're like, we were just like waiting, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? Because we also got a music done from India.
Right.
So it really added to the movie.
Oh yeah.
I mean, the whole movie is raw, like we said, it was construction sites and
Yeah.
it involves action and everything. So danger elements and with the music, like, oh God, what's going to happen?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we really enjoyed each one of us. He's played the main character also.
Right.
And each one of us is a main character.
Yeah.
I mean, like he said, everyone had a different story.
Yeah.
And how,
I mean, that's the fun of a short movie, every element in a character or even a small little product on the table has his own character in a short film, and that's the fun of a short film.
Exactly.
How many films finally have you done under Rahul Anand's umbrella, I would say?
It's Green Kite Films, the
Yeah.
banner's name is.
Yeah?
Yes, yeah.
4 movies. We have done 4 movies. Together.
No, you can actually say we are also filmmakers because during the shooting of this movie, I helped in audio, I helped in light. We all did.
Yes.
I mean, when I was doing my scene, he was doing the lights and the audio. When he was, it was like, we were helping each other.
Because gradually, when the shoot went on, the weather became very drastic and
Yeah.
cold, and we had
Many of the crew members couldn't join us.
crew members started minusing.
Oh,
Yeah.
Who were supposed to be there started getting minus. The enthusiasm in the beginning
yes.
slowly
Yeah,
started
yeah.
because it was getting colder and the place was, and you were surrounded by the cement ceilings and it was damn cold.
Yeah.
You couldn't, without shivering, just sit there, and we would just
Yeah.
heat us up. We'll ask that DOP, are you guys, are you ready for the shoot? He just heats up. He says ready. It's cold, but we are ready
I mean,
for that.
literally for some dialogues, like
Yeah.
we go so cold and the scene has so much intensity
Yeah.
that we have to run down and up the steps so that we can bring back the
Heat in the body.
energy to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it's an action film, if I'm not
Yeah.
mistaken. Is it?
There's an element of action.
Yeah,
in
so
it, yes.
that's the highlight. Short movie, action
Action.
movie, musical movie.
I was watching the poster, and what I heard from you is it's all about goons and mafias and gangsters, and you all three. What this girl is doing there?
He's a mafia goon.
She's also mafia.
Yeah, definitely. She has a significant role in this film. Her name is Ramya Bala, and she is also quite a good, very relevant in the Dubai market. She is doing
Yes.
a lot of advertisements, and
Yeah.
she was in Star Plus for
Yeah.
a movie scene and all.
And
Yeah.
she's a stage actor. So yeah, she's quite into the field.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
And
And I should say one thing I should mention definitely her dedication, because we were like a gang of 10 boys and then there is one girl, like in the middle. And I should really thank the dedication she has shown. Like we were shooting the movie in LA and that too all throughout the night. In an abandoned villa kind of setup, and she had to travel every day and shoot all night with us. And I mean, kind of she kept the energy for us.
What message would you like to give it to our viewers?
See, as a message, what I would like to say is first of all, please support independent filmmaking, because that is where the real talents are. Because there are a lot of talents in UAE, we need to bring them out. We need good movies in this region, and we need this industry to grow.
Yeah.
I can say I'm the director, producer, writer, all this in names. But when you come to actual product of the movie, I can definitely say there was a lot of contributions from all the people who were involved in the movie.
What about the new projects upcoming? Future projects?
As I said, doing this project, I wanted to prove to myself that will I be able to execute such a project on a feature level. So this is a kind of a small scale feature which I've done to understand myself on where I stand as a filmmaker and what should I be improving myself to coordinate on a feature level. So now the confidence that this movie has given me is I have already started scripting on my first feature film. So yeah, it's in progress for me. And
Wow.
yeah.
So first feature film.
Thank you.
Guys, a big thank you to all our sponsors, Vox Cinemas, Grand Stores, Nikon, and Dios Film Productions. Thank you guys. Thanks for your great support. we come back to you with new stories, new fun, new problems, and new solutions. Keep watching till then. Making of the Filmmakers ESFF event, powered by Diospin Productions. Till then, ciao for now. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Dios Production.